Why don't we get hooked on love or dream?
Hello, this is Darwin, President of Assured Solutions Incorporated. I've got a super exciting opportunity or message for our quality assurance following. One of our established life science clients, we actually just filled a position with them this past week. Great culture, company's been around for over 60 years. Great leadership as well, coming down from the Vice President of Quality Operations, who I'm very familiar with. This is a new division, the opportunity for clients for cell banking that they've created, and there's a large focus for the company for growth in this particular area. So we're supporting them for this new leadership position that will report into the Director of Regulatory and Quality. They need somebody that can come in that has strong understanding of CGMP, quality management system overall. They are mature in regards to their quality management system, but in terms of integrating this new division in, there'll be certainly an important aspect of the position there. This person's going to identify and hire, mentor, and develop a quality team, starting out with about 4 direct reports, but again, a great opportunity to grow a team over the next couple of years. Strong experience in internal and external auditing, certified quality auditing certification or background would be a great additional skill set, and strong program management experience in particular is what they're looking for, as well as obviously the cultural fit. If this might sound like something that could be intriguing, I'd love to share more information. Unique aspect of it being sort of a startup fill within an established company. As a reminder, our offer acceptance rate has averaged 91% since 2015, so you never have to worry about us selling or pushing anything. We'd love to learn more information about your career objectives, see if this might be a match. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel so that you can find more information on skills, training, opportunities, and in the news developments. Have a great day, and I appreciate your time.
You're out there for me, somewhere that I can see. You're singing songs and you're writing love letters. How simple the world can be. Why don't we get hooked on love?